Oh yan, have you ever tried this? This is with a apple, pepino, cucumber. So with the mais, lettuce. So the sauce is with the mayo, lemon. OMG, very healthy. And with the egg. Let's try. Ay pusa. Let's try. Let's try healthy food. This is made by Mama.